Hello friends, again, welcome back to Go Use Tech. My name once again is Jonathan, and today I'm going to be showing you how best we can design signatures on our Gmail accounts. What do I mean by a signature? Let me first show you how a signature looks like. Yeah. By signature, I mean like, for example, when I want to create when I go to compose new email, there's that first part that always come. For example, when I come to this account here and then I press on compose, you can see on the body, there is nothing. And I'm able to type anything I want. But again, when I come to my second Gmail and then I compose an email, you can see I already have this. Now, also Jonathan, founder and CEO, Go Use Tech. Then you put your location. You can make them organize the call with you. You can do anything. You can apply the websites. You can apply the declamation form. Anything you can. This one just saves your time. You can even apply this photo here. Maybe it could be your logo of your organization. So this is what we want to allocate here, the same thing that applies here. Okay, so you allow me to now show you how best we can do this. For example, I'll come to my settings. You can see this settings. Then once you reach on settings, you're going to see apps in Gmail, density, theme, and then read pen, and then many other setups. But what we're going to do, just come and click on see all settings. So once you click on see all settings, I want to unzoom this. Okay. Once you click on see all settings, you'll see an interface like this. So for you, what you're going to do, you're just going to slope down. And then as you're sloping down, you can be reading. You can be reading. You go on reading. You go on reading. Then you'll see where there is signature. This is signature. So you can see there is no signature yet. And now we shall just click new signature. So you just click there. And once you click there, now they will tell you what is the name of the signature. Maybe you can say Go Use Tech. So once you say create, it will now give you a space where you can type your signature from. You see? Yeah, so I'm going to type here my signature. So I'm going to come, let's say, maybe I first put a dash. You can design your signature the way you want. I can put that line, and to put that line, you press shift, then the dash line. So after that, I'm going to come, I say maybe Navasa Jonathan. Then I say founder. Go Use Tech. Then I can also put my email address, my contacts, my whatever. Go Use Tech. Then you can put the contact, maybe plus 256-77-911-3920. Then you can put a comma, then you can put your email. It's info.goUseTech@gmail.com. That's our email. And then you can put your location. Maybe Jangwali Refugee cyangwa refugee settlement. Then you can add anything you want. You have colors you can change. Maybe I want my name to appear in bold. So you just highlight the name, and then you come and click on B. So once you see that, you can see Nabaso Jonathan is in bold. You can change the coloring of any text by just coming here. Then this is background, and then this is the text color. So maybe I want pink, and you can see my text has been put in pink. You can also add link colors. Maybe you want to add the social media platforms. You can add everything in your signature. So let's assume that maybe this is enough for us, and then we want to save. You shall just you'll just come down here, and then click on save. So once you click on save, and then again we come on create. So once you come to create, on the body, I don't know if we save this. I come back to all settings. Then after that, I come to my signature, which is okay. So on my signature. So after that, sorry, I made a mistake. After that, you come to signature default. For new emails, you can come and then put Gmail. I mean, you select Go Use Deck, and then on reply and forward use still, in case you want maybe on your reply or on the forward messages, you can still tick Go Use Deck. Then you can insert signature before quoted text. You have to tick this box here. Then after that, you come and save. So I think right now it should be working. So when I come to compose once again, you can clearly see my signature is already there. Even if I close and then I open another one again, I open a new one, you can see it is already here. So here, I'll just come and I type anything I want. Hello, my dear friend. How are you? So how are you doing? So I'll just text my body, but for the signature, it will automatically be added. So let's go again into the settings again. We continue with our signature. I want to see how best we can apply the logo, and then maybe anything else we may need. Yeah, so if I come here, down here, I want to apply a logo for Go Use Deck. So what I will do, I'll just come to insert image. Then I'll go into my upload. I go to select. So I'll get any photo from anywhere. I'll come on my desktop where I have photos. Yeah, so I'll try to look for any photo around, and then I can see my logo is here. Then I'll just select that. After when it's done loading, I will just automatically select that. And then once it reaches here, you can see it is too big. So you can even minimize the place. You can make it medium, or you can make it small. You see? Yeah. So after that, still you'll do the saving. You'll do the saving. And then once I come now to compose, my email, my new email, I press on compose, you'll be able now to see my logo has been attached there. Let's assume that maybe we have a website and we want to attach now, a link to our website. So what we're going to do, still come to our signature, and then you can say follow us on our social media platforms. So here you will say website. So on the website, you just come here. This is hyperlink. This one here, insert a link. So you will see where you want to put it. Then you come and do like that. Then here you put a text you want it to be displayed. May I will say website. So when I say website, I'll come now, I put the URL of the website, which is www.gousetech.com. So when I say that, I press OK. Once I press OK, you can see it will be highlighted in blue. You can also put a comma, then you add another one, maybe Facebook, or you can also put Twitter. So you put Twitter, or maybe I can say YouTube link, then it will be www.youtube.com, then you put a slash, then maybe that, then go use tech. Then you can press OK. Then you can also see YouTube has been made there. So whatever changes you make, you need to make sure that you make the saving, you save your work. So after that, we are going to come to compose. And then on composing, you'll see now my website and then my YouTube, they're already there. So let's assume that maybe I'm going to send this email to usetech.go@gmail.com. Then subject, checking on you. Then you say, how are you doing? So after that, I want to send this message, and you'll be able to see that the message has been sent. So when you view the message, you can see my logo is there, my signature is there, my message is there, the one I sent, and then the website and then the YouTube there. Let's see if they are working. So in case I click on the YouTube, on the website, the link should automatically take me to my website. And then when I click on YouTube, it should still take me to the YouTube channel of that link. So yeah, for example, now you can see for the YouTube, it has worked. It has worked, just a matter of clicking on this one here. Yeah, and you can see this is our channel of GoUseTech. So guys, this is how best we can, also the website has finally come. As you can see, this is our website, though we are still working on it. So guys, thank you so much for following this video. We are going to make more videos on about Gmail and emails, and I think they'll be more helpful to you. Now you can see we have got an email here. Be careful of this message. Yeah, so they can even warn you in case maybe the message is not stable. Yeah, but that's how best you can do that. So I beg to stop here, and I thank you so much for following. Thank you.